To sew this bikini, I'm using the ocean bikini pattern from my Etsy shop. You can also get it on my Patreon along with a printable checklist for making this bikini. The links are in my description. I'm hacking the pattern by cutting a 1/2 inch extra fabric at the sides and a 1/2 inch extra fabric at the top and bottom. I have 4 pieces in total for the bikini top. I put the 2 pieces together for each bikini top and I sew along the top and bottom edges with a 1/2 inch allowance. After this, I sew along the sides and I stop stitching 1 inch away from the top and bottom as well. This is going to create the basis of the tunnel. Turn it inside out and stitch a 1/2 inch away from the top and bottom edge, then stitch a 1/4 inch away from that stitch to create the tunnel. Cut 2 long strips of fabric, 61 inches long and 2 inches wide for the bikini top, and 2 long strips of fabric, 39 inches long and 2 inches wide for the bikini bottom. You can always cut off the excess straps later if you find that it's too long. Fold them right sides together and sew 1/2 inch away from the raw edge. If you are using a regular sewing machine, then you want to make sure that you stretch your spandex fabric while sewing. It also helps to use a stretch needle on your domestic sewing machine. Size 12 is ideal. Turn the straps inside out. I made this loop turner using a hanger and I love how it works, so it's a really inexpensive way to create a loop turner for yourself. Feed the straps for the bikini through the first tunnel and then through the second tunnel. To add more ripples, you can cut your rectangles wider to begin with. I am using the Singer 4423 heavy duty sewing machine. It's amazing for beginners and intermediate sewists, so if you're looking for a new sewing machine, get yours at singer.com and use my code SEWQUAINT10 for a 10% discount. Cut 2 back pieces and 2 front pieces for the bikini bottom. When you're cutting them, trim the top part to create a straight edge instead of a curve. Put the back and front pieces right sides together, sew along here, then put the 2 bikini pieces together like this. Remember to make this part straight instead of curved. Stitch the long edge of the bikini bottom, stopping 1 inch away from the ends, then sew along the short edges. Leave a 2-inch space to pull the bikini inside out. Trim the excess fabric at the raw edges, then turn the bikini inside out. Stitch 1/2 inch away from the 2 edges to create a tunnel and feed the straps through them. Watch this to learn how to sew a mesh cover-up skirt to go with this bikini.